Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we create simple and powerful English stories especially for learners who want to improve their English in an easy and interesting way. If you want to learn English through stories, improve your vocabulary, and enjoy meaningful lessons, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's start today's story. Imagine going to sleep one night as a normal person and waking up the next morning as one of the richest people in the city. Big house, luxury cars, unlimited money, everything you ever dreamed of. Sounds perfect, right? But what if getting everything you wanted comes with a hidden cost? A cost so big that you lose something more valuable than money. This is the story of Rahul, a simple man whose life changed overnight, but not in the way he expected. Rahul was an ordinary young man who lived in a small rented room in a crowded city. His life was simple and sometimes difficult. He worked at a small shop, earned just enough money to pay rent, and sent a little to his parents in the village. Every day felt the same: work, eat, sleep, repeat. But Rahul had dreams. He wanted to become rich one day. He wanted a big house, a car, and a life where he didn't have to worry about money. He often sat at night, looking at the sky, and thought, one day my life will change. One evening, after a long and tiring day, Rahul was walking home. It had started raining lightly. The streets were wet, and the lights reflected on the road. As he walked, he saw something shining near the footpath. He stopped. It was a small black wallet. He picked it up and looked around. No one was there. He opened it slowly. Inside, there were some cards and a folded paper. Rahul opened the paper. It had a message. You are reading this. Your life is about to change. Keep this wallet with you tonight. Tomorrow morning, you will get everything you ever wanted. Rahul felt confused. What is this? He said to himself. He looked inside again, but there was no money, only that strange message. He thought maybe it was a joke. Still, he took the wallet home. That night, he kept thinking about the message. It felt strange, but something inside him felt curious. Before sleeping, he placed the wallet near his pillow. Nothing will happen, he said, closing his eyes. But something did happen. The next morning, Rahul woke up to loud sounds outside. Cars, voices, movement. He opened his eyes and looked around. He was not in his small room anymore. He was lying on a soft bed in a big, beautiful room. Everything looked expensive. He quickly stood up. What is happening? He whispered. He walked to the mirror. He was wearing branded clothes. His watch looked costly. He looked outside the window. There was a big house, a garden, and luxury cars. Rahul felt shocked. A man knocked on the door and entered. Good morning, sir, the man said politely. Your meeting is at 10 a.m. Rahul didn't understand. Who are you? He asked. I am your assistant, sir, the man replied calmly. Rahul's heart started beating fast. Assistant? Yes, sir. You are one of the most successful businessmen in the city. Rahul couldn't believe it. The message was true. He had become rich overnight. At first, Rahul felt excited. He explored the house. Everything was perfect. Big rooms, modern kitchen, beautiful furniture. He checked his phone, hundreds of contacts, messages, business, deals. His bank account showed more money than he had ever imagined. He smiled. This is the life I wanted, he said. That day, he went to meetings, signed papers, and spoke to important people. Everyone respected him. He ate in expensive restaurants. He traveled in luxury cars. He bought whatever he wanted. Days passed, and Rahul enjoyed his new life. But slowly, something started to feel strange. One evening, he sat alone in his big living room. It was silent, too silent. He picked up his phone. No calls from friends. No messages from family. He searched for his parents' number. It was not there. He tried to remember his old life, his small room, his simple job, his parents, his friends. But everything felt far away, like a dream. The next day, he asked his assistant, "Do I have any family?" The assistant looked confused. "No, sir. You live alone." Rahul felt a strange pain in his chest. "No, that's not true," he said softly. He tried to remember his mother's voice, but he couldn't hear it clearly. He tried to remember his father's face, but it was fading. Days passed, and Rahul became more restless. He had everything: money, power, comfort, but he felt empty. One night, he looked at the sky and said, "Why do I feel like I lost something?" He remembered the wallet. He searched for it. After a long time, he found it in a drawer, the same black wallet. He opened it again. Inside, there was a new message. "You got what you wanted, but every gain has a cost." Rahul's hands started shaking. "What cost?" he said. Then slowly, he understood. He had lost his past, his memories, his relationships, his real life. All the people he loved were gone, not from the world, but from his life. He tried to find them again. He visited his old area, but he couldn't recognize the streets. He met people, but no one knew him. It was like he never existed there. Rahul felt broken. He sat alone on a bench and cried. "I don't want this life," he said. "I want my real life back." That night, he held the wallet tightly. "Please take this money away. I just want my family, my memories, my life." He closed his eyes and cried. Slowly, he fell asleep. The next morning, Rahul woke up. He opened his eyes. He was in his small rented room, the same old fan, the same walls, the same bed. He looked around. Tears filled his eyes. "I'm back," he whispered. He quickly picked up his phone. There were missed calls from his mother. He called her immediately. "Hello, Beta," his mother said. Rahul started crying. "Ma, what happened?" she asked. "Nothing, I just wanted to hear your voice." He smiled through tears. That day, Rahul went to work like before, but everything felt different. The small shop, the simple life, even the problems, they all felt valuable because they were real. That night, Rahul looked at the wallet. It was empty now. No message, no magic. He smiled and threw it away because he'd understood something important. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy love. It cannot bring back memories. It cannot replace people who care about you. Rahul still wanted to become successful, but now he had a new goal, not just money, but a meaningful life with people he loved, because some things in life are more valuable than money, and once you lose them you may never get them back. So what did Rahul really learn? He learned that money can change your lifestyle, but it cannot replace the people you love. It cannot buy real happiness, and it cannot bring back what truly matters. Rahul got everything he dreamed of, but he almost lost the most important things in his life: his family, his memories, his real identity. And maybe in our life too, we focus so much on earning more that we forget what we already have. The people who care about us, the small moments, the simple life. Now tell me in the comments, if you had a chance to become rich overnight, would you take it, knowing there might be the cost? And if you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English in a simple and interesting way, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more meaningful English stories. We will meet again in the next story. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and value what truly matters.